My name is Elvis Nava. I am from Venezuela. I am live in Bogota. What's this I used to do when I were born? While we live in the pandemic, I used to feel born, but the moment in the day where I felt most born was in the morning. Before the pandemic, by the mornings, I would ride a bike and run. When I come home from playing sport, I study English. I have been doing sports since I was very young, where people did sport during the pandemic to avoid getting bored. When I went out cycling, I did it with some friends while I study English alone. I used to do religious videos for Instagram and broadcast the mess live in Facebook. When people could not thank church. Thank you. Bye.